Okay, we're going to solve this one from our work just before the CWW trip. So this is the question. Peng Peng got some money out of miscellaneous funds to go to the shops and buy some lollies. At the shops there were 8 wine gums, 5 licorice short sorts, 3 Freddo frogs. Okay, now the question says Peng Peng had enough money to buy 2 of the lollies, which the shop owner selected randomly. So 2 of the lollies. That's going to help us when we go to drawing our tree diagram. So that's important, 2 lollies. First question it says is draw a tree diagram with a sample space to help solve the questions. Now, if I go back and I have a look at the example, this is what the tree diagram needs to look like. Okay, so we have, this will be the first lolly that he selects, and this will be the second lolly. So there's 2 parts to it. We need to include the lollies, the names of them, and the probability needs to be included there. Probability is included here as well. What's important is you've selected 1, so it's reduced here by 1 in this particular one. So you've got 5 of 10, the R is selected, so there's 1 less R and there's 1 less marble, so it means that there's 4 of 9. There's still 3 blue ones, so it's 3 of 9, and there's still 2 white ones, which is 2 of 9. You need to make sure that these numbers add up to a whole. So 5, 3 and 2 is 10, 10 of 10 is a whole. 4 of 4 nines, 3 of 9, and 2 of 9 adds up to 9 of 9. Okay, the next one, if we selected a blue first, then there'd be 1, like there's still 5 reds, but there's only 9 total ones. There's 1 less blue, so it goes to 2 of 9, and there's still 2 white ones, so it's 2 of 9. And the same here, still 5 red ones, so 5 of 9, 3 of 9, and 1 of the white ones is selected, so it's 1 of 9. So you must include these probabilities for each of those ones. Some of you in your work, you didn't include them. It shows you in the example they need to be included, so you must include them. Okay, also in the sample space, nice and clear. Okay, that's what's expected in the tree diagram. So I'm going to go back to my question, which I'm solving here, which is the question about the lollies. And I'm going to draw the tree diagram. Okay, so welcome back. And I have completed my tree diagram. So this is from the first lolly selected, the wine gum, the licorice, and the Freddo frog. There are 16 altogether. 8, 5, and 3 is 16. So there's an 8 in 16 chance of this, 3 in 16 of this. Sorry, 5 and 16 of this, and 3 and 16 of this one. This is the second lolly. So 1 has already been selected, so all these numbers need to be 15 is the total amount of outcomes now. 1 wine gum has been selected, so that's 7 of 15. There's still 5 of these and 3 of these. In this one, the licorice is selected first, so there's still 8 wine gums. There's 5 to 4 licorice and 3 frogs. If a frog was selected first, there'd be 8 still left of the wine gums, 5 of the licorice, and now there's 2 of the Freddo frogs. And then this is my sample space. Okay, make it nice and clear by putting a line across. Now, some people have put probabilities in here. That's fine. However, we don't know what the question is asking just yet. So by doing that, you might be doing a whole bunch extra that you don't have to do. So at the moment, I would just keep it like this. So that's question A is answered. Okay, next video, we'll look at question B.